To my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a professional website, a professional portfolio website. And what is a portfolio website? A portfolio website is a site that shows about what you offer or what you do as a person. I get to my point now. So that's what a portfolio website is. Probably you're a public speaker, you're a copywriter. I get to my point now. So there are a lot of ways you can build your portfolio website. So if you are new to my channel, what I want you to do is to hit the subscribe button so you can get more notification when I drop any updates regarding Facebook ads, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, web design as well, and tutorials on how to make money online. Now, if you are my existing subscriber, I want you to hit the like button as well. And also, if you are new here, make sure you hit the like button so this video can be shown to a whole lot of people. I would really, really, really appreciate that from you. Now, I want to show you, as I have said, how to build a portfolio website. And I've explained what a portfolio website is, and anyone who is serious about his business, who wants to build credibility and become an authority in the niche or in the industry you found yourself, must have a portfolio website that shows exactly what you do. Because when you have a website, people tend to believe in what you offer. They believe more in your solution, and they believe in the kind of service, the kind of delivery, and the kind of service you are going to deliver to them. I get to my point now. Now, let me show you an example of a portfolio website you are going to be building. And this is something very, very, very simple and super easy. You can build by the end you finish this tutorial, and you can also build this for clients. Let's say someone is a public speaker and he needs a website like this. You can do this for the person and charge a lot of money to get this done. And also, you can also create this as a training, and people get to pay for it, and you can make money doing that way as well. I get to my point now. There are a lot of money you can there are a lot of ways you can make money building a website, probably for clients or by teaching other people. That's it. I get to my point now. You can build a website for copywriter, build a website for Facebook ads expert. A lot of people need websites for their business. So like a portfolio website. I get to my point now. So I'm going to show you how I build this very, very simple website and how you also can do something like this. So guys, let's get into it. So I made use of a team called Avo Team. Our team actually costs $29, but when you wait to the end of this training, I'm going to be showing you how to get it for free. I'll provide you the one I have for free. I guess my point. So I'll put it the link in the video. So while watching, make sure you pay attention so you can be able to get the link to download this particular theme, or else you can decide to go and buy it whichever way. So now let me quickly show you how these teams look like, and you see is a very like, can you see here over 1.2k sales? This particular team. Look at the review so far. I get to my point. So it shows that this particular team is a super unique team that anyone can use to build a portfolio or an agency website. Now, before we go on, how does this team looks like? Can you see now? Can you see how sweet is it? Can you see we have this digital agency where we want to build for digital agency? You can make use of this. Under the same team, they have sub team. I call it sub team that you can use to build your website. I get my point now. So there's no restriction. If you are building for a copywriter, a musician, a keyboardist, there is no there are templates here you can make use of, and I'm going to be providing it for free without paying any $29. So now, what do we do here now is to okay, I've shown you. Then let's go to what we are going to need to be the website like this, because we need some assets, or we need some, don't let me say assets, but we need some things to be done before getting this kind of website live and making sense like the way I show you. Then I have put a list here. Firstly, you need to have a domain and hosting. What's the domain and hosting? The domain and hosting is www.yourname.com or yourbusinessname.com. So that's your domain. Why your hosting is where you host your site. The space that hosts your site online is what we call an hosting. And one of the best place to get this particular domain and hosting is SiteGround. To get a domain and hosting on SiteGround actually costs a lot, like around 200 and something dollars. But if you're making use of the link in the description below, you get it for 80% discount, and that's a whole lot. I with you now. If you make use of the link in the description below as well, you get an XSLO certificate for free, which helps you to secure your website from scams or from fraud as well. And also, it makes customer feel comfortable once they see that your site is secured, and it shows that you're actually a serious business owner. Because if your site is not secured, it's going to broadly put it here, here, It's going to broadly put it there that your site is not secured, and it's going to piss away your visitors, and at the end of the day you won't be able to make a lot of money even though you have a website. So these are the things you want to take note, and that's why I'm recommending SiteGround to you, so as to get your own domain and hosting. So after getting your own domain and hosting, and information is going to be sent into your email, which is your cPanel logins. So once you log in, the way to log into your cPanel is just your domain name slash cPanel. You get your domain name slash cPanel will log you in into your cPanel. Once you search like that, then they are going to request for your password and your login and password, so which has been sent to you by SiteGround. So you're just going to input it to get access to your cPanel. So after getting access to your cPanel here, you want to make sure you install WordPress on your website. Though I already have a WordPress on this website, so I'm going to be showing you now. So you come here to Softaculous app installer, or you can just literally search for it here, but you just scroll down and come to Softaculous app installer, then you click on WordPress. So once you click on WordPress, you want to install WordPress on your website. As I have said, I have WordPress account here before, so let's just click on install now. So once you click on install now, because I already created a WordPress account using this theprofitacademy.com.ng, then I need to add a directory so it can be different from the one I created the other time. Because if you want to create a new WordPress account, it must be different from the one you created the other time. I get my point now. So I'll make this directory portfolio. Then okay, this one is already, if this one is in HTTPS, change it. If it's in HTTP like this, change it to HTTPS, and make sure okay we are using the highest version. So your site name is my portfolio. You might put your name. I guess my point now is because I'm just using this as a, then probably you run a digital marketing agency, then put in your password here. And I always recommend you put in your active email address, which is at gmail.com here at this admin email. Then set your password to be strong. Yeah, you can use a generate you can use this key to generate password for yourself. And then make sure you select classic editor here. I will explain why you should select classic editor there. And also you scroll down and click on install. This is very easy to install WordPress. Very, very easy. Just follow what I have done here and you get your WordPress installed. So how do you get started after installing your WordPress? I'm going to be showing you, and we are going to be going straight to the point because I want to make this super, super, super easy for you. And don't forget to use SiteGround to get your domain and hosting, or else if anything happens to your website, then I'm not going to be the one in charge. Okay, while it was loading, congratulations, the software, which is your WordPress, was installed successfully. Now this is the link to the site, while this is the link to your dashboard where we are going to be building the whole cook, where we are going to be building the whole website. Rather, we are going to be cooking the website there and doing some editing as well, so it can suit what you want for yourself. So just click on it. It's going to open another tab, and let's say you want to log into your WordPress account. By the time we are creating our WordPress, it asks for admin and password. So that password is what you are going to use to log into your WordPress dashboard. And to log into your WordPress dashboard is just the your domain name slash WP admin. That's the way to log in into your WordPress dashboard. It's very easy that way. So what you want to do next is this. Now we've landed on our WordPress dashboard. We want to build a super, super amazing website for your brand. It's very, very easy, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this in no time. Now let's go on. So you come to media. I said media. You come to pages. Oh, you come to appearance rather. We want to install the theme. You're going to be installing the theme first. So once you install the team will now alert you that okay, the team comes with different plugin before you now install the plugin as well. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Now I should have asked you to go and purchase the theme, but no, I'm going to be giving you the theme just because you watch the video to the end, and I'm going to be showing you how to get the theme as well. So you come to appearance, then you come to themes. So once you get to themes, then you click on add new theme. Add new theme. You click on add new theme. So once you click on add new theme, make sure once you download the theme, it's going to be in a raw file. And if it's not in a raw file, then you should extract it and make sure it's in a raw file. Yeah, by the time you download it, it's going to be in a raw file. And inside that file, then the theme exists inside that file. Yeah, let me put it that way. So let's go on, then click on upload theme because you want to upload the theme. It's not that you have any theme that you are making use of. You want to upload your own personal theme. So the name of the theme we are making use of here is Ava. Okay, let's come to download. Okay. Okay, this is it. Oh, okay, I'm coming. So now can you see we have the theme here, Havo theme. So when you download it as well, you see you are going to get access to this theme. So you install it. Can you see the file I use in install? Like, can you see the format? .zip. It's going to be in .raw file when you download it, like when you purchase it. But if you are not purchasing it, I want to make use of the one I put in the description, or the one I'm going to be showing on the screen, whichever way you see it. It's like I may later drop it in the description as well. Anyhow, so you can click from it straight up instead of you typing the URL. So that will be the reason why I'm going to drop it in the description below for you. Then it's going to be in zip file because I'm going to be uploading this in Mega or Drive for you guys. So you click on it and you get it for free. And also, I'm going to put in the link to my Telegram channel where we discuss about digital marketing, web design, and also run some free training as well for you guys. The link is also in the Telegram channel. And while we wait for our team to install, while we wait for our team to install, while we wait for our team to install, oh, it's gonna take some time. So probably I'm going to pause this video, then once it's done, I play it back. So now once you install your Ava theme, it's going to show here. Can you see your Ava theme here? And immediately you install your Ava theme, just click on activate. So once you click on activate, then let's go back to can you see now? Before we even leave, it's already telling us that this theme requires the following plugins, which is first is the Beta Elementor add-ons, Contact 7, Elementor Page Builder. Now you don't need to install it one by one. Just come here and click on Begin Installing Plugin. Am I making sense? Then you click on Begin Installing Plugins. So once you click on it, it starts installing the plugin for you. Okay, what you do is select everything at once, then come to bulk action, then click on Install, then Apply. Yeah, that's how you do that. So now it's already loading, so it's going to install everything at the same time. Then you are still going to activate everything once as well. Once you activate everything, once you install everything, you see that our site will have become something awesome. And guys, there's a particular offer I'm giving out to business owners, probably an affiliate marketer or internet marketer, whatever business you are doing, and you need a landing page, you need a sales page, you need a website, and I'm willing to build that for you for free. You can send me a DM and see some of my sample some of the previous project I've done so far. Then all you just need to do is to purchase your domain and hosting using my partner link, and I'm going to build a professional website for you for free. If you're looking towards learning web development, we have a course on that on the Digital Marketing Lab. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description, and the course is free. It's worth $100, but you're getting it for free. All you just need to do to get access to the course is to purchase domain and hosting using our partner link. If that sounds nice to you, then go ahead and take action right now. But before you go, let's complete this first too. So that's just that. Why is my network still like this? Oh, okay. Let me hold on with the video. So now let's go on to where we are. Now I tried to install everything at the same time. This one did not install, so it's like you have to install it separately. So just click on install separately. So it's going to install now. Then you now have to go back to activate everything at the same time as well. So that's just it. Can you see now? So it says after installing that last one, so it says return to require plugin installer. So once you get to require plugin installer, you want to make sure that you now activate everything at the same time. So you do the same thing by ticking here, then you click on activate, then you apply. So once you activate everything, then all the teams, okay, all these two refuse to activate. So just click on it, then activate them. Click on activate, then apply. So once you activate them, your site is going to look exactly like what you want to build. But you can't leave your site like that. You still need to edit some stuffs around it. Are you getting my point now? So we need to do the editing. Yeah. So we need to do the editing. Just go back. You need to create account here. Just go back. Just have to install the plugin. Let's go to plugin. And let's see anyone that is not installed yet. And you don't even really need the e-commerce because you are not selling anything on the site. We just want to build a portfolio. So it's because the team has one of the demo in the team has a e-commerce store, has an e-commerce store. So that's why the WooCommerce is there. I get my point now. Or probably want to sell something. I don't really need it. Okay, the plugin does not work with your version of PHP. Now, if you're having issue with version of PHP, that's because of the hosting. Reach out to your hosting company and hey, Nigeria, you don't take lights. So reach out to your hosting company and they will help you to increase your hosting. I get my point now. They will help to update your hosting so you can be able to install all of this plugin. So now let's visit our site and let's see what's popping. Open link. Let's see what's popping. Let's see what's popping. Let's see what's going on. Oh, it's going to show like a news. Can you see now? Now you experience something like this. Just come to readings. So readings, you will change it to sorry. Just come to settings, then go to readings. So readings, you will change it from posts, from latest post to a static page, which is your own page. Oh, what's going on? Okay, now there's something we need to do because that team has demo data. It has like child team. So we need to install a demo installer, a plugin called demo installer. Okay. This is going to be it's going to be very, very easy. Yeah. Just go to plugin. Then we are going to install a plugin called demo installer, or yeah, one click demo installer. You can remember. So that's the plugin we are going to install. So once we install it, we are going to use that plugin to install our demo, yeah, demo installer. I'm coming. So while building a site, you might have some issue. Just go to their documentation. What does the documentation means? The written documents about how the demo was built. That's what we call the team documentation. Now for Avo team has a team documentation. So sorry for my network. Oh, it's just like that in this country. So can you see it's active already now? It's active already. Okay, let's go and check our plugin and let's see if it's active true. So if it is active, that's what we are going to be using to install our sub team. You know, when I take you to the demo preview, when I take you to the team preview, we have a lot of sub team under the team preview. Oh, just go to plugin. So once you get to plugin, then in the file I'm going to be giving to you, I'll make sure that it contains the documentation about the team so you can be able to read. Probably you are having some issues. Probably you can either reach out to me or you can go through the Avo team documentation and consume the content there. Can you see now? So let's look for it here. Then you can use it to install our. I'm coming. Okay, come to import demo data. Yeah, come to import demo data. So once you come to import demo data, then this is the you now this network is slow. You now pick up the one you want. Can you see now? You now pick up the one you want for yourself. Probably you want an agency demo, you want a creative. Now let me take you to that space. Now this shows you can you see digital agency, business startup. These are demos, so you can just select from them. And this same thing you are seeing here on your dashboard. No, not here. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Are you between now? Can you see? No, not here. Rather, I need to close all this tab that I'm not using. Okay, this is it. It's loading slow. That's why. So can you see this agency? This can you see this agency was built with Elementor. This one WP Bakery, but I'm vastly good in Elementor, so I'm not going to be doing anything WP Bakery. But if you have your agency in Elementor, it's also in WP Bakery. If you want to do portfolio in WP Bakery, probably I'll go to WP Bakery, then you can use it that way. Sure you get. So just click on import demo because we've seen how the preview looks like. But if you want to check the preview, you can click on it. It's going to take you to a new page for the preview. But let's click on import demo. So once you click on import demo, it's going to import the demo of that particular page for us on our website. So instead of us seeing this stuff, I'm coming. Instead of us seeing this stuff here, we are going to be seeing our website. I get my point now. So guys, let me quickly solve this internet issue. So let's go on to one click demo. Can you see now? One click demo import. So once you've import that one like that, then scroll down and click on continue and import. So it's saying it's importing content. Are you here? So here you can import all your content. And if you don't want to go through all of this stress, just reach out to me. I'm going to build a professional website for you for free. You don't need to pay anything. And all you just need to do is what? Purchase domain and hosting using my SiteGround partner link. You can get to me before you do that, or you do that and show me a proof that okay, you use the link in the description below to purchase your domain. So once you purchase your domain, then I'll help you to complete your website, and it's going to look amazing. Yeah, let's go to visit our site. Can you see now? We've installed our import completely. Now it might still show that latest new stuff that I showed that time, but you go to your readings to do that. So can you see this is a loader? If you are trying to enter some site, there's something we call a preloader. You can remove it as well. So I will make sure I show you how to remove it. So I'm coming. Okay, yeah. Can you see now? Wow. So this is our site. So the animation is because of the network. Oh, that's the country I found myself. So because of the network, that's why the animation is supposed to show like the animation is super is awesome. Let me show you the preview here now. You can see the animation. The animations here. Can you see? Just hold on. So you can you see the animation here. All of this was animation. It's because it's still loading. That's why. Probably because I just installed it. Let me take you back there. Okay, so can you see now unique brand story? And let's go on. We have different. Can you see? It makes a whole lot of sense, guys. Make crazy sense. And it's very easy to edit the whole stuff. So let's quickly do some editing because I don't want this video to be too long and it's already getting too long. Okay, let's go back to this. Let's cancel this. We don't need this. So I don't want to be opening too much tab. So come to pages and let's start removing some pages we do not want. But before that, let's quickly go to menu because that's very, very important. So come to um menu, and I suggest you are opening tabs for whatever you want to do so you don't get lost. Because it's very easy to get lost while doing this whole thing. So let's start deleting the one we do not want. I'll be fast about that, and I'll make sure I'm very fast about that. So once you click on it, then you come to remove. When you start removing the one we do not want, we come to remove. So we should be done in 10 minutes time. You should come to remove all of this. We do not want all of this stuff. We really want something like home, our works, contact us, then preview. I get my point now. So let me show you what we are building. We want to build something like this. Oh, my network. Okay, can you see now? Home, our work, about us, our services. I get me. That's what we want to build. So we want to make it very, very fast. So I don't take um time doing this. And all of these things are our menu. So we want to remove it. So we have only 4 things left. So let's quickly get that done now. Yeah. So now, okay, this is how you remove it. Then come to remove. Come to remove. If you don't want to, probably you are very good on WordPress. You can decide to delete the whole menu and create your own. But this one is just ready made. Just pick it up and that's why it's called theme. So why should you now delete it? So just pick it up and get here. Just delete it. Okay, let me pause the video so I don't take much time. So you delete all of these and oh, I really want to delete all this. So guys, the more we teach, the more we learn more as well. So you can just do box select. Just click on box select and start selecting the one you want to delete. So select it. So there's really someone that interfered, and it was like, okay, I can even do it that way. So thank God for me recording this video. I'll just be taking much time. So just select the whole thing and delete everything. Delete the one we don't want. We don't want all of this stuff. We want to build something that shows that okay, we are a serious business owner, we are a serious entrepreneur, we have a website. I get to my point now, because when you have a website, you have something to show people. You don't need to have a physical office anymore. That's one of the beauty things when you have a website. You don't need to have a physical office. Just show them your website and they get to trust you. They get to trust you and buy from you instantly. Yeah. So buck, then remove selected item. So what's going on? Oh, we are left with this right now, and this is what we want, guys. So just click on save menu. So once we save it, let's go back to our page, and this is what we are going to be seeing. We want only the home. Let's edit element 2. Let me check what we are building. Home, our works, about us, our services. So that's what we are building. Home, our works, about us, our services. Our works, okay, about us, our services. So then our services, we edit. Oh, I was scared. I thought I was not playing the video. Sorry. I really want you guys to understand this thing, so that's why, and it's not something I can be rushing. So, okay, click on save menu. So once you click on save menu now, we have four menus. Then click on save menu, and something I'm going to be doing is this. Let me show you what I did here. Now let's go back to our site. This is our site. Let's refresh. Okay, while we are refreshing, let's come to the site we are copying here, which was the one I built. So can you see now, if you click on our works, it takes you to that same page. If you click on about us, it takes you to that same page. I get him now. So it looks like a one-page website. And no one will know because it's superb. I get my point now. If you click on our service, it takes you to that one page that shows our services. You are still on the same page. Meanwhile, you'll be seeing different buttons in here. It's a one-pager website. Do you get the idea now? So they want to do something like that, and it's very, very easy. Now, can you see this our site? It's showing our service about us. Why is our service showing twice? What was the our works? Okay, like previous project, that's what I mean. So change it. What's going on now? Our works. We're already getting too late. So now save. Now I've removed a lot of pages we don't. I mean a lot of menu we don't need. Now okay, now that we are completed with the menu, there is something I quickly want to show you. Let's go to pages. Let me open pages on another tab so I can be able to. So this tab here is for menu, while this tab is for pages. So you can be able to, okay, this is where I stop, this is where I stop, because WordPress sometimes is complicated and you just feel like, what am I even doing, self? It's always like that. So now we have 4 pages left, and that's all what we need. That's what we need. Let's go back to our site. So our site is ready. Like, you just have to edit the whole thing. Edit the header. Let's quickly edit the header with Elementor. And let me check for the header here on the page. I'm coming. Appearance. Okay. Oh, what's going on? Okay, can you see now? Custom header. Can you see? Open this on another tab. Just open it like this. So once we are done with that tab, editing our header, we'll just delete it straight away. Sorry, my eyes is spinning me. Okay, the tab is already loading. So custom header. So let's edit this with Elementor. This tab I open is for custom header. So once I'm done editing the custom header like this, I'll delete it. Sure you get, because I don't want to make the whole thing complicated, because WordPress sometimes might just feel like, where did I stop? And I don't want any issue like that. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, so guys, I've opened This is the header. But just remove this, we don't need the search icon. Just remove it. I'm coming. Okay. Icon library, then delete. Yeah, so you deleted it and update what you did. Always make sure that you update to. Always make sure that you update. Okay, I'm just trying to confirm if I'm still recording. Always make sure that you update. So we've edited the header now. Now let's go to the this icon. We are going to click on customize to remove all this one. So let's go to customize. All of this stuff as to edit all of this page. Let me go to back to Elementor. So we finish everything based on everything in Elementor. Then we go back to customization so we can customize the theme. Or which one should we do first? Let's do this first. Let's do the customization first because of time. And the customization is very easy. That's where you remove the logo. Make sure you download this logo and compare the size of this logo to what you want to design. So the thing just don't look anyhow. You can check what I did here. Check what I did here. Can you see it matches with what it makes sense? I get my point now. So that's the same thing you should do as well. So once you come to customization, that's where you do the logo, the preloader. This preloader that is loading, you will remove it as well if you don't like it. This mouse that is turning to circle, you remove it as well if you don't like it. So we have general hover mode. So what's in hover mode? You can just be doing your research. Okay, website dark. You might off instead of color mode switcher and you don't want it, you can just pick dark. It's only dark I want. Are you getting my point now? And styling. Styling here is just your color, your brand color. Just change it and the way you want it. So go back. We are not doing anything. Preloader. I don't want preloader. I will just exit it. Hide in all pages. I don't want it. I get my point now. I don't want it. So as you are doing all of these changes, you finish everything, then click on publish. So cursor, I want my cursor to be normal. I don't need any style for cursor. Then 404 page, I don't need it. Then you click on publish, but we are not done yet. We can click on publish so you can know everything is saved. And go to header. So header, I don't want header social. So off. Header top menu. Wait, I'm coming. It's like something is showing for header. We're having this here and I don't want it. Header top menu. Okay, header top menu is off. Header social. Can you see down here? So off it. Of it, then publish. So it's going to remove the header social. And if you want it, you can leave it there and put in your, this is how you put in your links for Facebook, for Twitter. If you don't want for Google, you don't put it there, you remove it, you click on the cancel button. But me, I don't even want it at all there. So that's just it. It just depends on the way you want it. So let's go back to blog. No, blog, you're not blogging anything. So side panel, no, we have nothing on side panel. So footer, alpha, what's in our footer? Let's go down. So we have footer, we have this gallery. I don't want anything social because it's not that I have any social. If you have, put it. If you have, put it. So that's just it. And for footer logo, so this is where you're going to change the logo. So you upload the logo you design, probably on Canva, you can design the logo, then you upload it. So you just remove this, then click on upload to upload the picture, and that's very easy. Now you want to make sure that whenever they click on your logo, it takes them to your home address of your website. Are you with me now? So you change this link. You change this link here. Are you with me now? You change this link here to your, what's going on? Once you upload your logo, wait, I'm coming. What's going on? Is it because I have changed the configuration to be only dark? Upload your dark tests and so okay, this is the URL for this for the logo. I get my point now on your media file. Shey you get? So you just have to upload it, remove it and upload. So once you remove it and upload, for your header as well, we talk about header here. So this is where you're going to change the logo, and for normal header there's nothing you really want to change because everything is okay. So I think we're already getting this thing done. Then site identity, you want to make sure you put in your logo so your logo can show here something like this site identity. So then change, okay, you're not changing anything anymore. Then go back to, probably you want to change the name you use in registering. Can you say I did mistake here? Portfolio, then you change it. Then you publish. As you move on, go back. So which one are we doing next? Background image, you can change background image. Menu, you can go back to menu where we edited menu the other time. So that's how you go about it. Are you with me now? So that's how you go about that. This video is already getting too long. Okay, where was I? So can you see now? That's all about. If there's anything, there's nothing additional in what we have here. And let me quickly show you how I was able to do the tag stuff. That once they click on our works, it comes down to, on the same page. Oh, it takes them to, once they click on our works, it takes them to that page on the same page. So this is how you do it. You oh, nepa don't do that. So that's I'm coming. Oh, I believe you get this because I've make it explanatory. I'm done with this tab. Let me delete it so it doesn't confuse me. So I've published everything I did here. Then let me go back to um okay, let's go back to our site. I've published everything. Then we're not customizing anymore. Okay, so they will now edit with Elementor. You know, before we did the theme customization. Now we are now going to edit with Elementor. So I can show you how to do that tag stuff. It's very easy. You are going to create a tag for that session on Elementor, then copy the tag name to your menu. So whenever they click on that menu, it takes them to that tag. That's It's as simple as that. That's what we did there. Are you getting my point now? So it's loading. Okay. So now to make it easy, let me go back to my menu. That's one of the reasons why I haven't deleted the menu then. So all of the Elementor, changing your image, changing your text is very easy. Once it loads now, you see it's just like you typing, bringing in your images and stuff like that. So for our works, for home, let's change the tag to this is the tag. The tag is always in hash. So put home. Oh, sorry. Put not very very fast. I've taken time. So here put our works. Just put works. So once we get to Elementor, we can be able to do it. So here put about us. Okay, because if you don't change it, it's going to take them to another link, and it doesn't make any sense anymore now. Sure you get. So you have to do it this way. Then this, the reason why you're using Ash is our service. Let's assume you have a page for the reason why you're using Ash is because you are taking them to the same page on that particular website. If you use only Ash only, it's going to reload that page. That's why you see that you click on some link on the website, it reloads that page. It's because they only use Ash. I get it. But if you use Ash and a tag, it takes you to a session on that page. I get my point now. Let's assume you now have a separate page for our service. All you just need to do is, well, copy the page link and paste it here. Copy the page URL or the page link and paste it here. But here we are making use of tag. So just click on services. So once you click on services, then you click on save menu. Let's go back to Elementor. Then once you get to Elementor, then the whole thing becomes easy. Yeah, so this tag is our work tag, is our tag. Then click on edit session. This is an inner session. Okay, let me start from here. I don't want to edit this inner session. You can also do it for inner session as well. Edit session. So once you come to edit session, go to advanced, then come to coming, add your custom ID without the pound key. Okay. Um wait. Oh no. Come to advanced, then put in using CSS ID, then put in about us. Yeah, about, I think I only added the about there. So once you put in about, yeah, that's how you go about it. Layout. Okay. HTML, this it's about, no. I'm coming. I'm trying to see something. I'm trying to see something. Yeah, that's how you do it. It's your CSS ID. That's your ID. So once you tag it like that, now let me update this. Let me update this and open our website on another tab. No. uh, I've saved this, right, about us. So I want to see if it is working. So what I'll do is to copy this link and open it in another tab. So once I open it in another tab, then once it loads, we would see if it's working. Let me confirm if our tag is correct for menu. Okay, about us. What do we use here? Okay, about, awesome. So let's go back to our site. So can you see the preloader did not show anymore? So about us, can you see? So you are going to do the same thing for this as well. For this tag is our works. Okay, this tag is what do we add in this tag? Oh, this one is works. So it's like this one is about us. So you just click on edit session, you left click on it, edit session, then you come to advanced, then you probably put whatever you want it to be. Probably you want your services to lead them here. Services, services, then you update it. I get my point now. Then probably here you want it to be our works, this session. I get my point now. You want it to be our work, so you edit it, edit session, edit session, then come to our works, come to advanced, then come to works. I make use of works in that particular menu. So you update it as well. So once you update it, now you want to edit all of this text. It's very, very easy. Just click on it. It takes you there. Consulting, let's say project management. Yeah. So let's say project management. So So that's for project management. Can you see from project consulting, it's going to change to project management. Let's say app creation. So you want to do the editing yourself, then you do the editing and you play around it as well. So you can add more design from your own. Um, so all of these particular arts and illustration, you can decide to remove it and set up your own. Probably you are very good on WordPress, and you can leave it if you're a graphic designer. It makes your work looks neater. And this one, I don't see any reason for it. Oh, why did I click on it now? This one I did not see any reason for it. Just delete the whole thing. I get my point now. Just delete the whole thing. And for this as well, just delete it. Or else if you have Facebook and stuff that you want to add, so just click on it. It's going to take you to where you're going to paste your link. Then click on this and you get to paste your link here. That's it. So, but we don't have, me, I don't have. I have my link to my Twitter and Instagram and WhatsApp is below. So go follow me right now, guys. So you cancel it, then I think that's all of these are things you can edit yourself. Click on this, then it's going to take you to where you are going to edit it. So let's assume those slides are showing, one is unique brand story. Let me go to the website. Can you see up here, unique brand story, and you want to change it to unique brand unique brand style. So you come here and change it, unique brand style, then style, you change. So let's say you want to put in your own content. It's very easy. Just click on whatever you want to edit. Click on it. It's going to show you how to edit it here, and you just follow through. Then that's how you can edit your website. So guys, let's check our website now and let's see if we have been able to achieve what I've promised. And guys, if you have any question regarding this, just go through the video one more time or you reach out to me. I'm going to perfectly help you out and get the thing done for yourself. And if you show a client this kind of website, trust me, no matter what you are trying to what the job is all about, you will see that you'll be able to get access to them because they already see the value in you guys, in you rather. Sure, you get my point now. So that's just it. Can you see our site now? Let's click on the our works. Let's click on, can you see, it takes us to our works. It's very, very awesome. About us, can you see our services? It's as simple as that. So guys, I believe we've been able to build a professional portfolio for your personal brand, and you can also do this building for an agency. You can charge a whole lot of money doing this. If you get value from this video, please and please, I want you to subscribe to this channel, share this video with a lot of business owners, a lot of developers who are looking to make money online. This video simply explain it all. And if there's something you want to learn more, join my Telegram channel and I'll also be there to help you. You can reach out to me if you want a website for your business. I'm going to be running it for you for free in as much you purchase your domain and hosting using my partner link. And don't forget to purchase your domain and hosting using the SiteGround link in the description below. You get 80% discount and also and a free SSL for 1 good year, guys. So guys, if there's any question you want to ask, put it in the comment section, and also in the comment section type something like how to build websites, WordPress, so the video can rank and a whole lot of people can get to see this video. Thank you very much for watching to this particular moment, and also because you stay to the end, I'm going to put the link to this particular team worth of $29 for you for free, and you get access to make use of it to build your own website. Thank you guys. Peace out.